35 years after the worst chemical leak to happen in India, another tragic accident has taken place. A gas leak from a factory causing hundreds of people to flee their homes, suffering from severe breathing and vision problems, many of them collapsing on the streets. Hundreds, including children, have been rushed to hospitals in whatever means of transport available. The death toll is rising and many are said to be in critical condition.
Overall, I think about 800 to 1,000 people have gone to the hospital and they have been taken care of. So now the focus is not so much on the gas leakage as the effects of the gas leakage and the treatment of the people who have been affected.
Initial reports suggest styrene gas leaked from the LG polymer factory based in Visakhapatnam's industrial zone in the southern state of Andhra Pradesh early this morning. The gas commonly used in the manufacture of plastics is also a neurotoxin, and higher concentrations can cause death. Thousands of people have been evacuated from the nearby villages, and rescue teams from the National Disaster Relief Force are checking homes for any survivors. In a statement, the South Korean parent company LG Chem said they are assessing the extent of the damage and are doing all that they can to help the residents and employees. Today's gas leak is a reminder of the 1984 Bhopal gas tragedy, one of the world's worst industrial disasters. Thousands of people died and over 600,000 affected. Decades later, its effects are still being felt as children are born with disabilities to those connected to the tragedy. Prime Minister Modi has held an emergency meeting to monitor the situation and offered all support from the federal government. An investigation into what caused the leak has been launched. There are reports that the factory was being prepared to reopen after the national lockdown. But for now, all efforts are to rescue the injured and get them to safety. Neville Lazarus, Sky News, India.